Making suggestions and recommendations. Mastering essential vocabulary for TOEFL and IELTS. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of the English language, especially for TOEFL and IELTS, making suggestions and recommendations. Whether in daily conversations or examinations, knowing how to propose ideas or give advice is a valuable skill. Before we dive into the phrases and words, it's crucial to understand the distinction between a suggestion and a recommendation. Suggestion: a proposal or idea that you give for someone to think about. Recommendation: an advice or suggestion about what someone should do, often given more formally or with expertise. Making suggestions is about offering new ideas or plans. Here are some handy phrases. 1. How about plus noun, gerund, ing. 2. Example: how about going to the cinema tonight? 3. What if we plus verb? 4. Example: what if we study together this weekend? 5. Why don't we plus verb? 6. Example: why don't we take a break? 7. Let's plus verb 8. Example: let's meet at 5 p.m. When you're making recommendations, you're often drawing from experience, expertise, or deeper consideration. Here's how to phrase them. 1. I would recommend plus gerund, noun. 2. Example: I would recommend visiting the museum. 3. It might be a good idea to plus verb 4. Example: it might be a good idea to check the weather forecast. 5. Have you considered plus gerund? 6. Example: have you considered applying for the scholarship? 7. You should, ought to plus verb 8. Example: you should read this book. Let's get some practice in. 1. You're advising a friend on where to travel next summer. How would you recommend a destination? 2. You're brainstorming places to eat with your coworker. How would you suggest a restaurant? 3. Your sibling is unsure about which course to take next semester. How can you recommend a class based on your experiences? Remember, the more you use these phrases in real-life scenarios, the more naturally they'll come to you during your exams. And that's a wrap for today. Making suggestions and recommendations is not just about knowing the right phrases. It's about understanding the context and choosing the right words to convey your message. I hope this guide aids you in your TOEFL and IELTS preparation. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master this in no time.